Welcome friends, today I am going to tell you about very unique and fastest growing system in the market that is launched from Dubai. The name is Ibatar. Ibatar is mainly based on Daiki technology. As you all know, today cryptocurrencies are growing very fast in the market. Daiki is also growing fast and having a very good future scope in this market. Daiki mainly trades for us in different cryptocurrency and generates profit for us. In this concept, we can join the system with a minimum of $10 and open level 1. You have 3 options for PSI. 1% PSI with a capping of 300%. 0.75% PSI with a capping of 350%. And 0.5% PSI with a capping of 400%. Also with the package on $100 you can open 5 level, $500 you can open 10 level, $1,500 you can open 40 level. You can open team level profit, daily profit. In this beautiful concept, you have multiple types of rewards options too, that announced regularly. Now let's about the little bit about Daiki Coin. Daiki was generated in January 2017 and has been backed by a dedicated digital currency exchange in March 2018. It is designed for entrepreneurs and allows individuals to make cost-effective, secure, and fast transactions via a decentralized peer-to-peer network. Daiki is using worldwide and it is the choice of the best entrepreneurs. This paper is set out with the motive to introduce the Daiki, the underlying technology that explores the principles of the digital currency from the core. It includes the features like security, privacy, and flexibility. In this, we describe the benefits which are offered to both consumers and business owners, as well as the support network offered by the Daiki and the Daiki Foundation. The Daiki Foundation has been designed as an open source and participatory standards body for the Daiki project. It is a non-profit organization which provides fund to the development of Daiki and the Daiki infrastructure. So better life and good earning, join Ibatar as soon as possible. Thank you.